Hello friends. Is auto brightness enabled on your iPad? Then the device battery drains readily, then disable auto brightness. So today's episode on how to solve YouTube channel, I'm going to show you how to turn off auto brightness on iPadOS. Open the settings app as you can see on my iPad screen. Not appear into the display and brightness setting tab, so go next for the new location of auto brightness. Next tap on accessibility. Now tap display and text size. Then scroll down till the end to turn off auto brightness off on your iPad. This very simple, but the setting has been changed in Apple's new iPadOS. Auto brightness toggle turn off will give the long life battery. Enjoy this video, don't miss to share and subscribe to our channel. Watch my this video on iPadOS. I'm sure you like this and get the latest information on Apple brand new iPadOS for all iPad users.